In this comprehensive tutorial, I will walk you through the process of downloading historical data in Metatrader 4, the popular forex trading platform. Assessing historical data is essential for backtesting strategies and analyzing past market trends. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learning how to download history in MT4 can greatly enhance your trading insights. Now open Metatrader 4. First step is click Tools, then click Options, Max bar in history, type 9999 and press OK. Now click Tools, History Center, Forex Majors, select the currency pair and click Download and press OK. Now the history has been downloaded. Now close the History Center. Now you can test Expert Advisor in MetaTrader 4. If you want to check the history files, click File, open Data folder and here open History folder, open your MetaTrader account. Here you can see the recent downloaded history. Thank you for watching my video. If you found these trading tips and tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, successful trading awaits you. So let's navigate the markets together. Happy trading.